Welcome back guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be cooking one of my favourite seafoods of all time, the marine octopus. So with these amazing sea creatures, they have 6 arms and 2 legs to travel with. They have 2 eyes, which are both colorblind. They can only see black and white. So in the head, what is called the mantle that controls everything in the body, I've cleaned out already. So here we have the beak, so I've just already cleaned it out. So next step, what we want to do, because the octopus is so slimy, like fresh octopus should be, you're going to have to rinse it really well in cold water. Why are octopus slimy? Also, because it helps themselves protect their skin, especially in the cold waters. So as you can see carefully by the suckers, there are some grit to clean off. It is very important to make sure the octopus is clean. Okay, so now the octopus is nice and clean. The only prep job we need to do is to carefully cut the eyes out, making sure though that you don't burst them open. That wouldn't be pleasing to clean up, would it? So what I usually do is cut its side halfway in an angle first, then the opposite side I do the same, cut in an angle to clean out the eye. Very nice and easy. Here we got a baby octopus, exact same family member, just the smaller one. As you can see, it has the exact same amount of arms, legs, eyes and a beak. I've also washed and cleaned it. Now I'll show you the exact same steps how I cleaned the first octopus, the bigger size. Keep in mind though that it's a bit more challenging, especially with its size. Now next step, for the flavorings to cook the octopus in. The full recipe will be in the description below guys, so check it out. So here we have some great quality white wine, vermentino, followed by some extra virgin olive oil, cold water, grapefruit, 1 onion, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, 5 cloves of garlic and 4 bay leaves. Now next step is so simple. All you have to do is add all the ingredients to a large pot, enough size to fit your octopus in. It's very important because when you add all your ingredients and then you add your octopus in, you want enough space for your octopus to swim around and not to be overcrowded. This ensures that the octopus is cooked evenly and properly through the process. Crush garlic and peel the skin off. The reason why we crush the garlic and not put in whole is because when you crush the garlic, it releases the oils and extraction of more flavor to the dish. Peel and chop roughly 1 onion. Slice 4 rounds of this juicy grapefruit and add it into your stock pot. So essentially what we're doing is we're trying to make a very strong, flavorful stock pot for our octopus to swim in, to extract as much flavor into the octopus when it is finalized and cooked through. So when cooking octopus, never cook on a boiling point. The water should always be simmering very slowly to get a nice clean cook through the octopus. Now put your finger through the hole where the beak usually goes, or the head we prepped earlier. Now add your octopus in. Now I don't know if this is true, but I'm going to try this old time technique that the Spanish do. They first dip the octopus into the water 3 times to help tenderize it. I'm going to give it a crack and show you guys what I mean. Now if you notice dramatically, the legs are curled up beautifully. I'm not sure if it actually works, but it sure looks amazing. This giant of an octopus is about 3.5 to 4 kilos worth, So in that case, I usually cook it for about 45 to 50 minutes, give or take. To check if it's ready though, you want to insert a knife into the thickest part. If it has a resistance to it, it should just be perfect. So halfway through the cooking process, guys, you just want to add in your smaller size octopus that we prepped earlier. Don't forget about that. So we're just going to do the same method, dip it 3 times, see if it works. Not sure if it does, but we'll give it a crack. We'll cook the smaller sized octopus for about 25 minutes. After 45 minutes, your octopus is ready to go. You can just see how much this octopus has shrank during the cooking time. Now to portion it up, firstly you want to remove the head. Cut the body in half. Remove the excess skin off the head. Then followed by cutting your tentacles into whatever size pieces you like. Add in some salt and pepper, some extra virgin olive oil and a good amount of smoked paprika to give some extra flavour. On a medium to high heat, you want to add in your octopus slowly, and you want to sear them off until they're nice and golden. Make sure you're cooking on a non-stick pan so the octopus won't get stuck to the pan. To be a bit cheeky, I'm going to add in about 4 cubes of unsalted butter and finish it off cooking in a beautiful butter bath to give that extra beautiful sweet flavour. Serve it with anything you like, it's just truly amazing. You can pair this with a beautiful stew or even a snack itself. Add some freshly chopped parsley and enjoy. Hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you learned something, especially I hope I've inspired you to have a go at cooking octopus. Please comment down below what you guys think of the video and what I should cook next. For more future videos, I thank you. Take care. Ciao.